Hi guys, in this video we make a Python script that uses the OpenAI API to generate text based on user input and returns it. First we have to make a CSV file with the name answers. Then we have to make a Word file with the name answers. We have to save the Python file in the same directory as the documents. Imports, green text, ASCII, parse prompt, API, loop. Import the OpenAI library, which is the official Python library for accessing OpenAI's API services. Import the Colorama library, which is used to change the color of text printed in the command line. Import the OS library, which is used to parse the command line prompt. Import the CSV library and the docx library, which is used to create a file. Let's place them together. We start with the Colorama. We have to define a function to print the text green in the command line. Define print green. Now we make an ASCII and we want to print it green. The ASCII is not necessary for the script, but it looks cool. First we test the script for ASCII. If we run the script, the window closes directly, so we want to use the parse prompt. We use the parse prompt function with the OS system. With the parse prompt, the prompt window remains open. Now we go to the API. First we do the API endpoint. Then we go to OpenAI.API key. You have to fill in your API key here. We can generate one from the website platform.openai.com. Here we fill in the request headers. Authorization. openai.api key. Content type, application, JSON. This is what you need for the API running in this script. The next thing is the loop. While true, now we make a user input. Here we make a prompt and the user can make an input. What is your question? And I add some extra space here. The next thing is the OpenAI parameters. Then we have to define the generated text. It will use the input from the user. Here we fill in the OpenAI parameters. You can check the OpenAI documentation what will happen if you choose another engine or use another temperature. So now we have an input and we're generating from the OpenAI. We want to return it. If the API call is successful, the generated text is printed in green using the print green function. We have to make an exception, so if there is an error with the API, this code will print an error. And here we are. Let's ask, what is the meaning of life? We have to wait a few seconds and here it is, the answer in green. And we can ask a new question right away. The AI bot is now working, but we want to do more. We want to save the answers and the questions to a Word document and a CSV file. Question and answer into a CSV document. And we want to have the answer every time on a new line. We want to open the Word document in append mode. Questions and answers into the Word document. We have to print an error message if there is something wrong. Now we finished our coding and let's check it out. I'm so excited. Let's try this script. Let's say 10 times hi to me. We have to wait a few seconds and here we see the answers. We open the Word document. And here you see the answers written in the document. Let's check the CSV file. And same here. This looks nice. Well, let's ask another question and let's check what happens. Can you provide a top 10 of things that make people happy? And here we have the answers. Let's check the Word document again and here you see it. And here you can see the CSV file, also with the answers. Let's try it again. What can ChatGPT do for me? Make a list. and we have to wait a few seconds. And here you can see the list that is generated in green. What are the top 10 social media platforms in China? Let's open the Word file. And here it is. Make sure you close the documents before you ask a new question in the prompt. Otherwise, you will receive an error. Here I will show you the complete code. Have fun with ChatGPT and see you next time.